So here I'll demonstrate how to wire up a 4-bit counter using some pin naming options instead of too much wire, which otherwise could produce like a rat's nest. So I'll put on some output markers to this small thing, and I'll start by what's that called? I'll start by renaming these wires one at a time, which may take a bit of time. Out 0, 1. Okay, that was fast. So when I'm doing this, I notice that there's a bullet up here saying that I'll rename the branch's nest while I'm renaming the in-out marker. If I move out these in-out markers a bit, I will see that if I mark one of my, if I hover over one of the wires, it says that the net name is out 3. So this is also the name of the actual wire. This will come in useful because now I'm going to do my logic connection. I will need an inverter, this one, connected to data 0 like this, and on the input of this connector I'll put a small piece of wire, and this wire will be named as what I want to feed it. So for this one I want the out 0, the wire out 0 to be connected to this input. Instead of wiring around here, I can just give it the name out 0. I have this add net name option here, so I'll put the actual name, the wanted name out 0 on this. It will be on my cursor now, and I will attach it to the actual wire. And that's that. The next thing I need is I need some XOR gate. So something like this. I will put it here. I will attach this to the next input. And I will do the rename. I will put on some small wire bits. Seems a bit stupid, but that's just the way it is. And I will name these. Out 1 will be the one of them, this one, and out 1 will be the other one, like this. This is, yeah, it looks a bit stupid. But what I'll do now is I'll do a small simulation to see if things are working. So something like, I may need to close down this one first. Yes, and then I will do the simulation. I will see that 2 outputs, out 2 and 3, are not finished, but out 1 and 0 is kind of working. The input is the clock, the output is out 0 and out 1, and they are counting okay. So now I've been doing a lot more of wiring and making ready for this, but still I need to do the naming of the branches. So I will go, and it's still out number 0, so I will go and put out number 0 on this gate and this gate. Out number 1 will be put on this gate, this gate. Out number 2 will be put here, and here I guess, and out number 3 goes okay, goes quite fast, will be put like this. So now it's time for demonstration. So the thing would really be a mess if all of these wires would have to be connected individually. So Q3 would go round like this, and it would go into this one. That's not the worst one, but something like out 1 or Q2 out 2 would go into this and this. And out 1 and 0 will be like everywhere. So still back to the demonstration, see if things work. This will be it. I think I'll have to close down this one first. Yes. And rerun this. Yes, please. So now all 4 bits should be running, and yeah, it looks okay to me. And so this was the demonstration of how to avoid a lot of rat nesting in this small circuit.